How to pay OnlyFans using Gcash. First things first is access your OnlyFans using any preferred browser you want. Now, once you're here, just go directly to OnlyFans.com's official website and just automatically log into your account. Now, once you are here, all you have to do is go to Add Card. Now, from Add Card, just simply go to Add a payment card, or if you already have a Gcash card, so just simply type in or input all the informations that you have from your Gcash card, like your address, your card number, and the expiration date of the card, and as well as the CVC. If you don't have a Gcash card yet, then let's go ahead and request to send or make a card. The first thing that you want to do is just go directly to your Gcash application and log in using your 4-digit IMPIN. Now, once you have successfully logged in, just click or tap directly on cards, which is going to be below G Invest. So tap cards. Now scroll down a bit and go to order a card. Now tap on send me a card. Now just tap on next. Now all you have to do from here is just to enter the necessary details such as your recipient's name, mobile number, and your delivery address. Now once everything is verified and confirmed, just go directly to the payment area, which is going to cost you around 250 pesos. And once everything is done, all you have to do is just to wait for your card to come out, and then by there you should have your specific card number for you to input on OnlyFans.com's website. So that's it. That's how you pay OnlyFans using your Gcash.